Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Just wanted to show you some of the shower add-ons and upgrades we've done over the years to our old Cougar trailer. So we have this corner shower stall here. And one of the first ones we did was we needed some towel racks. They don't really give you anything to hang your towels on in an RV. So I'm not sure where we got these. They were kind of a bamboo hanger, so it's great for towels. And it had also came with it was kind of a bamboo holder for your shampoos and stuff. But over the years in the shower, that part of it started to rot out. So we've recently changed it and found this particular thing on Amazon. It's kind of nice because these can be adjusted. Down here they have some suction cups to go against the glass. But I kind of modded it because what it had is this was out and it had kind of a screw thing so that it screwed against that to hold it. So I drilled right through it and into my aluminum frame here and put 2 screws there to hold it very sturdy. That's what I did with this as well. It was just kind of a over the door hanger, and I just screwed it on to make it really solid, and then put some little bumpers on the back so it doesn't hurt the glass or anything. And then a recent upgrade was these. These are really handy because they give you these shelves here, but everything's forever falling out of this particular shelf. So these just have kind of a sticky backing, and they stick on each side, and they keep your shampoo bottles or whatever you put there in place. So far, no signs of rust or anything, and they haven't come loose. They're really on there solid. So that was a good addition. We also, a long time ago, got rid of the original shower head. I think this is an Oxygenics shower head, 5 different positions. So it's worked out good. I changed the taps here over the years. It was a turn tap, and now I have like quarter turn taps. And also I put in this valve, which is nice because it totally shuts off the shower supply when we're dry camping. So we kind of just get ourselves wet, turn that off, soap it up, and then when we turn it back on, we don't get that cold blast of water, which is nice. So that's worked out really well too. And then last winter down here, we ended up getting a crack right there in our shower, which I repaired with some epoxy. Kind of see over there, but it kind of looked bad. So one of my followers offered to make us a teak grate. He's a woodworker. That's very nice of him to do that, and it's worked out really well. Looks really cool too. It's kind of like what we have on our boat. Anyway, that's sort of the quick update on all the little shower items. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.